Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to set alarm in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the home page of a tablet and go to clock icon. And here, clock is showing. If you would like to set alarm, click on alarm icon here. And already two default alarm are showing. You can use that alarm if you really need it. Otherwise, if you would like to set your own alarm, click on this plus symbol and you can set your own timing here. 5 is showing here. I would like to use 5 then 30 AM. Okay, you can click AM or PM here. Okay, and then click on OK. That will be the set as the alarm that 5:30 AM is alarm timing. Okay, if you would like to select days, select here. Okay, if you select all days, you will get alarm on all days every day. Okay, otherwise you can keep some days only and those days will have the alarm. Okay, and click on default here. You can set music alarms available. Choose an app to use for all music alarms. Click on YouTube Music and log into YouTube Music, or click on sounds here and select the alarm sound. Okay, here I would like to use this alarm sound. Okay, and this will be set as alarm sound. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a alarm in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.